Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Wilson Tutorials. To my highly esteemed subscribers, thank you for being there. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Our sole aim of having this platform is to make the science subjects as easy as possible for all science students all over the world. We can do this together. And for those who are not subscribed, please do so. You'll be glad you did. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Now, today we are taking a very important topic in mathematics, trigonometry. Trigonometry is a wide topic in mathematics. We just want to take an aspect of it. Now, in trigonometry, you must know that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Don't forget that trigonometry is the part of mathematics that deals with problems involving right angle triangles mainly, although there are some other aspects of trigonometry. Now we have sine theta as opposite over hypotenuse. Cosec theta is hypotenuse over opposite. You can see cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Then cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And sec theta is hypotenuse over adjacent, meaning sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Then tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent over opposite. It also means that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Then don't forget, in solving problems involving trigonometry, most often than not, we may need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. We have the Pythagoras theorem, which is a rule in mathematics that connects the three sides of a right angle triangle. The theorem simply states hypotenuse squared, which is the longest side of the right angle triangle, is equals to the opposite squared plus the adjacent squared. So let's apply these basic rules and principles to solve the problems on the board. Now in question number 1, we are told if cot theta is 8 over 15, where theta is acute, meaning theta is less than 90 degrees, find sine theta. This question is very easy to solve. Say cot theta, given cot theta is 8 over 15. Don't forget that cot is adjacent over hypotenuse. So if you take a look at that, it means the question tells us that the adjacent of the right angle triangle is 8, while the opposite is 15. So what do we do then? We need to get the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So the hypotenuse squared will now be equals to 15 squared plus 8 squared. That gives us 225 plus 64. Then it means that the hypotenuse squared is 289. So we take the square root of both sides so we can get the hypotenuse. That means the hypotenuse is 17. We have gotten the hypotenuse. Then what do we do with that? We are told to find the sine of the angle. Now sine theta is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. According to the formula 1 we have there. What is the opposite of this right angle triangle? It's in the question already. The opposite is 15. And the hypotenuse is what we just got. The hypotenuse is 17. So that answers question number 1. So easily. So let's take question number 2. Don't forget that the Pythagoras rule states that hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Question number 2. In question number 2, we are told if sine x is 3 over 5. So let's see how it goes. Question 2, sine x is 3 over 5. That implies that the opposite is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5, because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. You can see in formula 1. Sine is opposite of hypotenuse. So sine x is 3 over 5 means that the opposite is 3 and the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is 5. So that means you need the adjacent. So this time we are going to use adjacent squared is equals to hypotenuse squared minus opposite squared. If you are looking for the hypotenuse, you add. If you are looking for the adjacent and the opposite, you subtract. So that gives us 5 squared minus 3 squared, which gives us 25 minus 9, and that is 16. So the adjacent square is 16. So look for the square root of both sides. That means the adjacent is 4. Now, what do we do with this? We are told to find cos x plus tan x all over sine x. So this is how it goes. We are looking for cos x plus tan x all over sine x. Don't forget that cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So they are indirectly telling you that the adjacent over the hypotenuse plus, what is tan? Tan is opposite over adjacent plus opposite over adjacent all over the sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So all over the opposite over hypotenuse. So it's just for us to put in the values. I'm cleaning this. Don't forget our adjacent is 4. Our opposite is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. So our adjacent is 4. We should not forget that. So let's have it at the back of our mind. The adjacent that we got is 4. We got 4 as adjacent. So let's substitute. Adjacent over hypotenuse therefore means 4 all over 5, because the adjacent is 5 and the is 4, I beg your pardon, then the hypotenuse is 5. Plus, we need the opposite over adjacent. What is the opposite? The opposite is 3. So that gives us 3 all over the adjacent. Adjacent remains 4. Divided by, we need the opposite over the hypotenuse. Opposite remains 3 and hypotenuse remains 5. So 3 over 5. So what do we do with this? We simplify the numerator. Don't forget that when adding fractions, you have to look for the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 3 gives us 15. All over 3 over 5. 15 plus 16 gives us 31. So it means therefore that we have 31 all over 20 times 5 all over 3. You have to turn the 5 over 3 upside down. Then let's try to cancel. 5 can cancel and you have 4 here. So our final answer then is 31 over 12, because 4 times 3 is 12. So we have done justice to the first 2 questions on the board. So viewers all over the world, esteemed subscribers, and those who are yet to subscribe, you can attempt questions number 3 and 4. If you have any issues, you can let us know in the comment section. We are here to give you the best. We are here to make mathematics, chemistry, physics, and other science subjects easy for students all over the world. Thank you for being there. Thank you so much. We really, really appreciate you. Where to fail us to tell you how appreciative we are that you are always there for us. Thank you for standing by. God bless you.